In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI avatar for using CapCut. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a written script into a talking digital presenter right inside CapCut with clear audio and smooth animation. First, open CapCut. You can use the desktop app or the web editor. Either works well. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection because the avatar generation happens in the cloud and needs a bit of bandwidth. Once the editor loads, give yourself a moment to get familiar with the workspace so you know where everything is. Next, click on AI Avatar. You'll typically find it in the toolbar or under the AI Features section. This is the feature that takes your text and maps it to a realistic character with synced facial expressions and lip movements. If you don't see it right away, look for an AI or avatar label in the menu. CapCut sometimes updates where it sits, but the name is consistent. Now, choose an avatar. Browse the library of ready-made characters and pick one that matches your brand, tone, or audience. Think about where this video will live. A corporate update might call for a more formal avatar, while a social clip might benefit from someone casual and friendly. You can preview multiple options quickly before deciding, and it's perfectly fine to change your mind later. Add a text. This is your script, the exact words your avatar will speak. Keep sentences clear and conversational, and use punctuation to guide the pace. If you want natural pauses, add periods or line breaks. Shorter sentences usually sound more lifelike. If you're introducing a product or idea, lead with the benefit first, then the details, so the message lands even in a quick watch. Choose a voice. CapCut provides a range of voices across accents and tones. Match the voice to your avatar and your audience. Feel free to preview a few and listen for clarity, warmth, and pacing. If speed controls are available, nudge the rate slightly slower for educational content and slightly faster for snappier social edits. Click Generate. CapCut will now process your text, apply the chosen voice, and animate the avatar's expressions and lip sync. This is where the magic happens. Be patient. Wait for a moment while the progress bar moves along. This may take a while, especially with longer scripts or higher quality settings. Avoid heavy multitasking and keep your connection steady to prevent timeouts. When it's done, play the preview. Check pronunciation, pacing, and alignment with your message. If something feels off, tweak the text or voice and generate again until it sounds just right. That's it. You've created an AI avatar in CapCut.